Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a yogurt parfait that you can make for breakfast, and it only uses 5 ingredients that you probably have in your house, or you can go to your local supermarket to go find them. So you're first going to need yogurt, kiwis, blueberries, honey, and granola. So first you're going to take your kiwi and then you're going to cut it in half. And then you're going to peel the kiwi, and then you're going to dice it. So after you cut your kiwis, they should look somewhat like this. And then now you're going to start making your parfait. So you start with yogurt at the bottom, and then you make sure it touches all the way at the bottom. And then once you add your yogurt, you're going to add kiwis, a few kiwis, add it to the layer. 1 or 2, and then you're going to add blueberries, a few of them, and then you're going to add more yogurt on top of that, and then you're just going to be layering yogurt, kiwis, and then blueberries until you get to the top of the cup. So after you're done layering, it should look like this. You're going to want to take about half a handful of granola and then just put it on the top. Add a kiwi and blueberry for decoration. You're going to want to take your honey and put a little bit on the top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. It looks good. Can't wait to eat.